Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Kaylee, and today I'm gonna try to sing the super bass Nicki Minaj rap. So I'm not that good at it, but I've been practicing it for a really long time. So yeah, here we go. Colorful boys with the bonuses, shot down AC with the promotions. Somebody come up in the club, you blazing up, got stacks and stacks and saving up. You got that deal, pass that on, you got the right kind of deal. You talk, you joke, you wax up, he's so in the air, but he never fight for it. Chip, float on a ship, when he make a chip, kiss him on the lip, but that's the bad dude I was looking for. And he has to get slapped if you're looking for. I said, excuse me, you're a hell of a guy. I mean, my, you're like having a fly. I mean, you're so shy and I'm loving you, guy. Oh, yes I did. Somebody please tell me who the F I is. I am Nicki Minaj, like you so. Who's up the check to do? So, I didn't do very good. I don't think so. But, I tried, so, yeah. So, yeah. Alright, peace out.